Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We just got in a brand new 2020 truck camper. 990 is the model number. Come on inside, let's take a peek. Walk right in here. You got a nice bathroom here with a big tall skylight, porcelain toilet, cabinets, plenty of storage. You got, this is a slide out on this side. So you got the table makes into a bed, folds down, storage under both sides. You got your Northwood refrigerator, freezer on this side over here. A little storage for spices and stuff there. You got a big cutting board with a big sink. That's nice, stainless steel sink. So all your control panels over here. It actually comes with a solar panel on the roof, a little trickle charger. Cabinets underneath there, drawers, more storage above us here. Lots of storage there. You got your stainless steel package, your wire, your microwave, your fan hood, 3-burner oven, glass door right there, 3-burner on top here. So when this here slides open, it's a slider, see, so you can get, when the slide out's in, you can get to the bathroom. You got a little storage compartment there on both sides. On that side, you got above us, we got LEDs, speakers, air conditioning, skylight. In the front here, you got a nice little step to get up in the full-size, queen-size mattress. Both sides, you got storage, you got closet right there. You got compartments on each side, open up. Your TV's on this side with storage. You got a nice tall ceiling. You got a skylight above you with a cover up there. LED lights in the front. You got USB chargers up there in the front so you can charge your cell phone when you're laying in bed. It's pretty cool. You got a little slide curtain that goes across here. So a lot of room in a camper with a slide out in it. So this 990 model has the bathroom in the back here. So let's go outside. So this model has the built-in generator. It's right here below the stairs, lift up right there. So you got the Fox landing gear. Actually, so one more thing before I shut the door. So like from right here, you actually have a light control and you can do your slide out right here from when you're standing on the outside, you know, so you want to get into the camper. So LEDs up there, you got a backup camera, electric awning, you got a big grab handle. The Fox landing folds up, steps fold up into there. So this comes off too. You got storage under there, like I said, built-in generator. Pre-plumbed for a little gas outdoor barbecue. Storage for under the bumper there. So these are electric auto leveling jacks, but look at the bolts in this thing. I mean, they're solid. This is the camper they advertise 32 people standing on the roof from, you know, just well built. Gives you the big propane tanks. On that side, there's a battery switch in there. So you got your wire here for plug in. You got your satellite, here's your batteries, a little outdoor shower right there. So I said, look at this big bracket. You can switch these to, you know, like swing out brackets if you want. But more on this side is the slide out we talked about. And then you got a little compartment on the back side there for a little storage. But great camper. So if you're looking for a nice camper for, you know, your new truck or something, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.